We must feel proud about the invention of zero, Aryabhat, Vedic science like Mimamsha, Nalanda University, etc. But let's see where we stand today and in future. An international organization, OECD, conducts a test PISA, Program for International Student Assessment, started in 1997, which checks the global level of a student. After much resistance, India participated in 2009 with only 2 states, Tamil Nadu and Himachal Pradesh, along with 72 other regions. In reading, Tamil Nadu comes third last and Himachal Pradesh second last, with Kyrgyzstan at the bottom. In maths, the result remains the same. But in science, it got even worse. Himachal Pradesh slipped to the last position, but coming at the last position did not tell how bad the situation is. So let's compare our result with economic superstars like Singapore, Korea, Hong Kong, who successfully transmitted from poor to rich countries in just 2 generations. Shanghai, China managed highest score out of 74 regions tested. India's 8th grader student is equal to Korean 3rd grader and China's 2nd grader. Topper in India is 40 to 50 points behind the worst student of economic superstar. When USA found that their average student is 59 points behind Koreans, there had been a huge alert and committees are formed to figure out the solutions. UK only slipped from 16th to 20th position and intense researches are taking place to correct the fault in the system. India's government approach to it was shameful and blasphemous. They suppressed the news by saying that the pattern is not apt for testing Indian students and decided that India will not participate in it until it is modified according to us. Therefore, we didn't participate in PISA 2012 and 2015. Wait, if you think government was right and an international test cannot evaluate us, the annual status of education report ASER conducted within our country by our machinery and with our examination pattern also confirms the same. 50% 5th grader cannot read and understand simple sentences. 56% 8th grader failed to do a revision. 70% 8th class student failed to write fraction larger than 2 by 7. This does not mean there are no positives. ISRO uses the slingshot and made the cheapest Mars orbital mission possible. Per kilometer, it even costs less than an auto rickshaw. That's great. Boeing can now take off and land safely at low light due to an Indian innovation. 750 multinational companies have set up their R&D to do researches. Remember, R&D, research and development, and not call centers. Nano was made by us and many more, but there are just few among the 125 crore Indians whose large majority don't even know the basics. 1.8 billion youths in India neither need a fight over religion nor a fight over reservation. We need fight over education and innovation. If you believe our education system must be changed, search Study Labs on YouTube. You may think, why I should listen to him? Why should I search Study Labs? Good, you have taken the first step to be an innovator, because an innovator questions everything.